Alright everyone, welcome back to Tomb Raider. I can't remember what the hell we were doing last time, but we weren't that far in. I think we killed a deer or something. Oh, hello. I'll take me some of that. Oh. What the fuck? I thought I had that. A stronger axe. Alright.
Up here, I found something.
I don't like the sound of that.
Just head up the hill. Look for the large gate.
Ah, hold on a second. I can hear all of the wolves, which I am not comfortable about. Oh. Oh, bugger it. I was going to back up, burn that hanging shit, but I can't be bothered. Right, is there a sprint button? Am I missing the sprint button? Like, seriously? Where am I going? Right, cool. For hold X, no? Oh my god. Okay, we're scrambling. Scrambling left and right. Ow. Oh, fuck off, man. Fuck. Fucking, that's a big ass wolf, man. That ain't no joke. Oh,
You could have warned me about the wolves, Doctor.
It's all clear, Laura. Come on up.
yeah, mate, I'm scanning animals right now. Ah. Up. Good to know, good to know. There's a wee salvage box. L1, no, that's aim. R2. Holding it. Oh wait, is it the usual button? Wait a minute, so if this is jogging. What the fuck? Can I sprint, please? There's no way this is the top speed. Jesus Christ. Taking fucking forever here. New camp.
These are fascinating.
I've seen these before. They must be ritualistic.
This female image is particularly interesting.
Looks like it was made quite recently.
It's by those islanders, no doubt. Judging by the wrecks out there, they were once like us. Survivors. Remarkable.
Yes, well, let's hope we don't become murderers, too.
See if you can work the other one.
The handle's missing.
Together.
Oh, shit. It won't take the force. I'll have to find something sturdier to turn it with.
Must be something around here we can use. Incredible.
To upgrade the X, so weird. Like the, what do you call it? The Mr. Whitman's, what do you call him? How do they upgrade the axe, yeah? Oh, we're not salvaged enough, is that happening? I'd imagine it'd be hunter upgrades, would you not? Bow, pistol, rifle, shotgun, arrow, scavenge, climber agility. Hey, hold on. Let me see if I can salvage some more. Then maybe we'll give me a wee icon to tell me. Boom!
This'll work. Just need a bit more.
I need a bit more. Alright, let's take a look up here. Imagine there'll be some pretty close. Da, da, da. Oh.
Darling, think. Think before filing those papers. I've sunk the last of my fortune into this expedition, but it's all going to come back tenfold. If you divorce me now, you won't see a penny of it. You've been with me since I was nothing. You know what I'm capable of achieving. I haven't lost my touch. I'm just at a low point right now, don't you see? I'm on to something here. Laura, you remember her, my young protege. She has real data to back up her theories, but she doesn't have my savvy. It's going to be my name on the discovery and my face in front of the cameras. If this all pans out, the show will be huge. If you want to leave me then, I promise I...
Can't listen to that, mate. Like, stand up, right? You're a fucking man. Like, oh, if you want to leave me, if the bitch is there for money, get her to fuck. That's what most women like anyway. Fucking the bugs and shit out of me, that push. Like, oh, you're the man. Pay for this, pay for that. Fuck you. I'm supposed to just, like, what, I get pussy? Is that what I get? You know what I mean? Like, I spend all the money and I'm lucky if I get, like, a fucking, get a shag? Is that what you're telling me? If I seriously, like, oh, no, I see you. Ah! Ah! Bloody hell, every time. Fucking, really? Something like that, motherfucker. Ah, Jesus. Jesus. Fucking wolves, man. Had to leave the shot there just a wee bit. Flicked it just right.
Just a bit more.
I can see another box down there. There's one behind me. Where are you going? I'm skinning your ass. Hey. Right. You attack me, I take your skin. That's the way it works. After I've killed you.
Right, that should do it.
Weapon modifications available. Seriously? What? Ah! Fuck off, bitch. Kill that fuck, man. That is a lot of wolves. Get out of here. Ow, 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 ow. When I get... Fuck! Get off me. If another two wolves pop out of that fucking bush. Hey. What's it? Oh well, fuck it. There we go.
Right, that should do it.
Just want a wee bit extra for what's the answer? Press select. Start. Oh yeah. Get these arrows first. Make sure I'm stocked up, because it's the only weapon I've got just now. What was that? What the hell? Bunny hands here. Bunny's going nowhere. Ba-da-ba. Come on. The gear, vet du. Strengthen. Let's wait. So how did it change? So I've got skills, gear, skills and gear, survivor, bow, alright, whatever. Do it that way. I keep trying to press in L3 to sprint, and it's just not happening.
Let's do this, Doctor.
Have you already?
Right, whenever you're ready, you know what I mean? The door's coming down.
That female figure on the gate. Given the age of the symbols, it could be the Sun Queen.
Himiko. Are you sure you're not channeling Sam, Dr. Whitman?
Well, there's no doubt. Himiko had power. Some say shamanistic, elemental.
A woman wields that much power, and sooner or later it gets called witchcraft.
We shouldn't discount anything, even what may seem to us irrational. We still have much to learn about the world.
You sound like my father.
It could be one hell of a story, Laura.
Not if we don't live to tell it.
Incredible. It is Himiko.
But look, the bowl, the candles. Why is she still being worshipped?
This island, it must have once been part of Yamatai. You were right, Laura.
The Lost Kingdom.
It's like finding Atlantis.
But this is real, Dr. Whitman. We're not standing on a myth.
No, we're standing on a gold mine.
Come, quickly. Your friends are hurt.
Yes, probably by them.
Get back.
We can't be trusted. You still have a gun.
I don't want any trouble.
No.
We'll come.
No.
I insist that afterwards you take us to whoever's in charge.
What are you doing?
Be quiet.
No!
I'm handling this.
No!
No! Please!
Get off!
Just go along with them, Laura. Do whatever they say.
I don't like that guy that's tying me up, man. He looks like Buck. For Far Cry.
Дай меня пистолет. Иди. Пошла.
Who are you people? What do you want with us?
Laura!
If they give you any trouble, kill them.
Don't hurt them,
I
please.
said, silence, girl. А ты ведь хорошенькая, да? Напоминаешь мою сестру.
Don't even know Russian to know what that means.
Round them up! Round them up! Don't you fucking move. Kill them all!
I'm gonna kill you. At some point or another, it's gonna happen. Oh, you can run now.
Make a sound.
Yeah, I'm on it. Если они доставляют много хлопота, убей!
Anything?
Holy crap.
There! Another one!
God.
Ah. Ugh, shit.
All right.
Stealth is not my strong point. Huh?
Nothing.
Любишь играться в прятки, малышка? Думаешь, удастся спастись? No one escapes. Out! Вылезай! Но трать моего времени!
What? Come on. Gives you about 3 seconds to do that shit. Not even 3 seconds. 3 seconds would be enough. The hell.
Вылезай! Но трать моего времени!
At least I don't need to do all that sneaking about again.
Она тоже была порядочной стервой.
Oh, for fuck's sake! I keep thinking it's going to mix it up, you know, like God of War, where it's like, it's got to be an X circle. So I'll keep like holding my finger over like the centre so that I'm ready to go to any of them, and then it keeps giving me the triangle again. Or maybe it's just like the one that's always just the one button.
Она тоже была порядочной стервой.
Oh, that should have. Jesus Christ, there was no chance there. Did you see? Oh, there's... No way, man. He was on top. He's a male, she's a female. Oh, the gun's empty. There was one round in that gun. I'm surprised he survived that long. Look at fucking his heat blowing off. Search his body for ammo. Now where are you going? Semi-auto pistol. Now we're talking. Can I get in here? Nah. Alright, but I think we'll stop it here. Not a lot of action, but looks like we're about to get into some serious action in the next part. So I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time.